Welcome back to Decorative Decor, where timeless design meets everyday living. Today, we're exploring clever mudroom decor ideas that help busy homes stay beautifully organized without sacrificing style. Whether your mudroom is a spacious entryway or a compact corner, these inspiring ideas will transform it into a practical and inviting space. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing your favorite mudroom design idea. Let's get started. A thoughtfully decorated mudroom sets the tone for the rest of your home. Warm vintage-inspired colors, elegant wall paneling, and charming decorative accents instantly create a welcoming atmosphere while keeping the space functional. Beautiful organization begins with an inviting entrance that feels intentional and lived in. Built-in cabinets and open shelving maximize every inch of available space. They provide designated places for shoes, bags, seasonal accessories, and everyday essentials, reducing clutter while maintaining a polished appearance. Classic wood finishes add warmth and timeless appeal that perfectly complement vintage-inspired interiors. Decorative wall hooks are one of the simplest yet most effective mudroom upgrades. Choose antique brass, wrought iron, or distressed wood finishes to enhance the vintage aesthetic while offering convenient storage for coats, hats, scarves, and reusable shopping bags. Practical details can also become beautiful design features. A comfortable bench transforms the mudroom into a more functional space. It provides the perfect spot to remove shoes while offering additional storage underneath through baskets or drawers. Upholstered cushions with soft neutral fabrics introduce warmth and comfort while elevating the room's overall style. Natural woven baskets offer an attractive way to organize everything from pet supplies to children's accessories. Their textured appearance adds visual interest while keeping everyday items neatly tucked away. Label each basket to make organization effortless for every family member. When floor space is limited, vertical storage becomes invaluable. Floating shelves, tall cabinets, and stacked cubbies help organize belongings without making the room feel crowded. Decorating upper shelves with vintage artwork or greenery adds personality while maintaining a clean and organized look. Mudrooms experience heavy daily traffic, making durable flooring essential. Vintage-inspired patterned tiles, natural stone, or weathered wood-look flooring combine long-lasting performance with timeless beauty. Easy-to-clean surfaces help maintain a polished appearance despite constant use. Good lighting makes even a small mudroom feel larger and more inviting. Consider pendant lights with vintage charm, wall sconces, or warm overhead fixtures that highlight the room's architectural details while creating a cozy atmosphere for every arrival and departure. Small decorative elements make a mudroom feel connected to the rest of your home. Framed botanical prints, antique mirrors, ceramic vases, or rustic signs add character without overwhelming the functional purpose of the room. Carefully selected accessories turn practical spaces into beautiful living areas. Assign dedicated storage spaces for each household member to simplify daily routines. Individual cubbies, labeled hooks, and personalized baskets encourage everyone to stay organized. A well-planned layout reduces morning stress while keeping the mudroom consistently tidy. The best mudrooms balance timeless style with modern functionality. Hidden charging stations, concealed storage compartments, and easy-access organizers can seamlessly integrate into vintage-inspired cabinetry. This thoughtful combination creates a space that's both elegant and highly practical. Updating your mudroom with seasonal accents keeps the space feeling fresh throughout the year. Swap wreaths, cushions, flowers, and decorative accessories to reflect each season while maintaining your vintage decorating style. Small seasonal changes make a surprisingly big impact. An organized mudroom doesn't have to sacrifice beauty for functionality. With smart storage solutions, timeless vintage details, and thoughtful decorating choices, your home's busiest entrance can become one of its most charming spaces. We hope these clever mudroom decor ideas inspire your next home makeover. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Decorative Decor, give it a like, and leave a comment below telling us which idea you'd love to try first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decorating inspiration.